Breaking update coming in on the doctors' strike, and the resident doctors are intensifying their protest in the national capital. They are marching towards Supreme Court as we speak. They have in fact given a memorandum to the top court saying, and I'll just read out some of the portions of that memorandum. The doctors are telling Supreme Court, take note of our grievances, take necessary measures. This is a stir by overworked resident doctors. And the strike, the protest is to boost the workforce ahead of the impending third wave. This is part of the memorandum which has been given by the doctors to the top court. They are marching towards Supreme Court as we speak. Joined by my colleague Ayushman. Ayushman, have the doctors managed to reach the gates of the Supreme Court yet?
Well, the doctors have given that memorandum to Delhi police. They wanted to submit it to the Supreme Court. In fact, behind me are those doctors who are still on roads and they are protesting. They're raising slogans against the government for failing to acknowledge the gravity of the situation. And that is one reason why you see these doctors coming on road, protesting, because we have seen these protests taking place in hospitals, then coming to Health Ministry's doorstep, and now these doctors have decided to come on the roads and protest and demand. They wanted to march to Supreme Court, but currently, if you see, nothing has happened. They were not allowed to go to Supreme Court, and as a result of that, they have in fact sat down on road. This road leads towards the Supreme Court, and that is one thing which they want to convey to the Supreme Court, that the current situation of these resident doctors who are working in hospitals is not good, and this is something that they want the Apex Court to take a note of, and that is the possible reason why these doctors are currently protesting right in front, right on the road which lead towards the Supreme Court.
Right. Ayushman, also please give us an understanding. I mean, there are barricades of police, quite a lot of people there that we can see. So barricades have in fact been put up on the route towards Supreme Court. As we know that the Supreme Court is of course one of the most protected areas in the national capital. But what exactly, if you could speak to some of the doctors there, what exactly do they aim to achieve out of this? They've already given to the memorandum which has been handed over to the cops, possibly to be handed over to the Supreme Court later on. But what exactly are the doctors trying to achieve? They've reached the doorsteps of the Health Ministry. They are now close to the doorsteps of Supreme Court. What exactly are they trying with this?
Well, they want the Supreme Court to take a cognizance, suo motu cognizance of what is happening to them and their demands, because these doctors are not protesting for the first day. They, in fact, had called off the protest after the Union Health Minister gave them a word that within 7 days this matter would be taken up in Apex Court and somewhere the matter will be expedited. That hasn't happened, and that is something which actually propelled these doctors to come on road again, come on the Health Ministry and talk to all those stakeholders. They also had a meeting with the Union Health Minister right on the very first day when they protested on the doorstep of the Health Ministry. That meeting went inconclusive, and after that we saw daily these doctors somewhere protesting, and these doctors telling the government that somewhere they were not listening. And in fact today when we are talking, these doctors are on road. We normally don't see these doctors on road. सड़क पर डॉक्टरों को हमने देखा नहीं है. आज आप लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाना चाहते थे, यहाँ पर रोक दिया गया. What next? What is happening? What is the demand?
आप खुद बोल रहे हैं कि आज तक कभी डॉक्टरों को सड़क पर नहीं देखा है, तो आप खुद इमेजिन कर सकते हैं हमें कितना अभी तक इनिशिएटिव नहीं लिया गया हमसे नेगोशिएट करने का. काउंसलिंग अभी भी कोई इनिशिएटिव नहीं लिया गया गवर्नमेंट से कि काउंसलिंग के लिए कुछ काउंसलिंग की डेट आए या कोर्ट को अपील जाए. कि हम इतने मजबूर हो गए कि हम आज सड़क पर उतर के सुप्रीम कोर्ट खुद अपील करने जाना चाहते थे. हमें यहाँ बीच में रोक दिया गया है. कोशिश तो हमारी थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक पहुंचे, वहां तक नहीं तो यहीं पे कुछ लोगों को जागरूक करेंगे कि हमारे साथ अन्याय हो रहा है और हमें न्याय चाहिए अभी.
See, the injustice is being talked about, where these doctors say that they don't have any option. They either they are left with one option to protest, and that is what they're doing. And you can see large number of doctors, Tanima, behind me. They are protesting. They are standing on roads. They are protesting currently. And these are the doctors who have been protesting in the hospitals, on the doorsteps of Health Ministry. And in the evenings, they are taking those candlelight vigil. But that has gone unheard as these doctors are on road in order to give their demands to the Supreme Court of India.
That's right. Ayushman, there, in fact, at the doctors' protest. Now the doctors are marching towards, in fact, they are already close to the Supreme Court, having marched towards it in order to raise and highlight their grievances and also giving that memorandum to the top court. Thank you so much for joining us with that.